Recently, a lot of sellers have been asking me, should I make repairs before listing my home? The short answer is yes. While we're still in a seller's market, the truth is there aren't as many buyers as there was a few years ago during the peak. The good news is that there are still buyers out there looking to purchase a home in this environment, and they are very serious about moving. However, due to higher interest rates and home prices, your property needs to be in tip-top condition to stand out. That's why today I'm sharing 3 things that you can do to get your home in perfect market condition before selling. You want to meet with your agent before you list the house for sale to go over the repairs that are really worth it. Not every fix is worth it. So invest in repairs that will improve your home's condition, which in turn nets you a higher return on your investment. One thing I like to recommend, you might be interested in having a pre-inspection before you hit the market. This way you can find out beforehand what might turn buyers away and fix those issues before you hit the open market. Key point number 2, you want to choose between maintenance, perhaps deferred maintenance, and addressing those issues, and cosmetic repairs. Most repairs I find fall into one of 2 categories. That's going to be cosmetic repairs and maintenance repairs. Cosmetic repairs usually are optional and it won't be a sticking point in negotiations. However, they sometimes can net you a higher return on your investment. Now, high maintenance repairs take longer and they require a larger investment, but they can often fix major issues that need to be addressed if you want good, solid offers from buyers. The good strategy I find is most likely doing some of each. So work with a realtor that finds a good balance that fits your needs. Key point number 3, the condition of your home is the most important factor that you can control when selling. This expands your buyer pool. In today's market, we're seeing fewer buyers, most likely because of higher interest rates and the home prices are higher too. However, you can still attract a lot of demand with your property presented in good condition. If you do the proper repairs, we'll see more offers coming in from better qualified buyers. So work closely with your agent to create a strong marketing strategy, and we might even create a bidding war which drives up your price. I always recommend sellers do repairs before listing. It is more important in this market than it ever has been before. If you're wondering which repairs are worth doing or want to discuss a pre-listing strategy, give me a call, send me an email, text. I'd love to hear from you. I'm Cricket with Asheville Luxury Brokers. You can call me, text me, email me, 828-674-0900.